So I did a video with the frame being broken, part A. What we did was we stuck a piece of pipe in the inside here. That way we know we're kind of basically where we need to be. And it's basically 1-inch steel pipe. So that part's done. Our second step is we flip our sign, even though we are closed. We got our welding sign up. Third step is we lock the door, because I do not want anybody walking in while I'm welding. I'm not going to show you the process of me welding it. I'm just going to show you it being done basically how I do it afterwards. Alright, that part is welded. Am I the best welder? No. Does it hold? Yes. So that's where we're at there. When I flip it over, I'll get the last little bits there and there. We're going to spin it around now. One of the things I do before I bring my pass over this, this is where my tack weld was. I cut a little notch in my tack weld. Not all the way through, but I cut a little notch because I want to try to drive that one through all the way through. It just makes the weld a little stronger. Alright, we got the top side done. It's welded. Now we'll flip it and do the other side. Alright, that's that side. Got one little pinhole there, I'm over it. Then we'll swing it around and do the last little bit on that side. Alright, frame is welded. I brought that out a little bit. Make sure it was just welded in good. And she's good to go, except for a little paint. Clean up. Now, what I like to do is take my paint while it's still hot. Of course, shake it up really good. We're just using a Rust-Oleum primer. And it just helps bake it on. Basically instant dry. Good as new. Later, folks.